So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add translated subtitle to any language in your videos online. Now in order to do it, all you need to do is to just simply open any of the browser you have, and here you have to search for Clydio.com. Once you do that, just simply go to this option which says all tools, and here all you need to do is to just simply scroll down until you find this option which says let me find it. Here it says video translator. Just simply tap over there, and it will ask you to upload the video file with or the subtitle file. Once you do that, just simply it will ask you to set the original language of the video and ask to the language of which you want to translate, and it will translate all your videos subtitles using AI for free, that you can download and use anywhere you want, and it's all free process. It will not ask you to pay anything. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.